All right, guys, as we discussed yesterday that we are looking for buy once we break this session. So it's a session high and finally price open a gap up. So price open a gap up and again price drop near session high. So here I can see, so according to yesterday analysis, we was looking for buy if price pull back or if price open a gap up or after giving a pullback. So here I can see this area price drop and holding. So in this area you can see this is a decent holding. So we got some buy opportunity in a small time frame. I'll show you by doing some resume. Okay. So later here you can see another buy opportunity because it's a session breakout. So that is why we are looking for buy. So clear price action according to the price action method. They are forming lower low. So finally create higher high and pull back, unable to create new lower low, and somewhere here our entry point was somewhere there. Okay, so let me show you in a small time frame how I exactly enter in that area. So let me show you this area. Okay, and another let me show you entire this area, so then you comes to know. Okay, all right. So let me show you in a small time frame. This one 1 minute chart now. See, price open a gap down. Open a gap up, pull back, goes a little bit higher, again pull back, exactly price near session high, and suddenly price break this previous high and the pull back. Good, not able to create new low. Perfect. Okay, goes up a little bit. Again try, not able to break this lower low, and price goes and this area called money spot. Okay, so in that so when they form this money spot area, so we place buy order. I always place near about 50, and then my target is 150. Okay, so that was my target. Okay, 150. All right, that was my first step. So next, you can see price pullback. So we are looking for buy only. Price pullback, goes a little bit higher, but suddenly price drop and create a new lower low. All right. So again, price goes up a little bit sideways. Again, price drop and create a new low. Again, try here, create a new low. So in that area, you can see this is a demand zone up for me. Okay. So again, price goes up, pull back, create a new high. All right, goes up a little bit, goes up. So again, price drop, but not able to create previous lower point. All right, so you can see sideways. So order of building. So once price break this range in a small time frame, so we place order, buy order. Let me show you here. Okay, so I place above this candle and place 50 rupees SL. I always place 50 and the target is 150. Okay, my target is always 150. So finally, it took too much time to hit my target. So finally, it's a hit my target. So later I was expecting that price will again bounce from this area, but it's time to close. But I was not interested to put any position. All right. Okay, let me explain for tomorrow. So tomorrow here you can see price are running in a sideways. So basically, I'm looking for buy after breaking this range, this higher point. All right. So for the tomorrow, we must find out this range higher point. Okay. So this is not exactly higher point. Okay, sorry, it's a higher point. So price opens somewhere there, goes like a little bit higher. Again, price pull back. But here I'm looking for buy near demand zone. So where is the demand zone basically? Just a minute. Okay, perfect. So now you can see according to the structure here, you can see price goes up from here. Okay, it's a higher high, and again price forming a lower low, and here you can see higher high, not able to create new higher high. Price pull back and again price goes a little bit. So first you understand that territory. All right, so here you can see that here I'm looking for short if price open gap down or something like that, and after giving a pullback. All right, I will use in a small time frame. All right, I will use one small time frame, like 1 minute time frame. So if I get any confirmation, so I'll sell here. But if price stay above this previous session low, so I'm looking for buy. Okay, let's say price open here, and if I find any price action method like that, so definitely I'll go for buy. But if price break this lower point, that means yes, today's lower point, so I'm looking for short, but I will reduce my lot size because in a selling side, because it's a strong buying territory from here to this area. So in that case, I will find some demand zone. So this is a demand zone. Okay, this is the demand zone. All right. So means if price break this level and pull back, so my target will be somewhere there. All right. So again, if they form any price action, bullish confirmation, so definitely you will go for buy. So it is probability to continue toward the upside. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.